Hi everyone and welcome. Today we have this platform called Welcomessage, and this is the best automated LinkedIn DM software. Before we dive in, there's a link in the description that you can access to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. Now jumping onto the platform, you can see in here basically you need to connect your LinkedIn profile to this software and it is going to be making amazing DM integrations for you. So since it is a platform for automated LinkedIn DM, and you can do that. So first you are going to be simply connecting your LinkedIn account. You also have this Chrome extension that it offers, and it have a lot of features. You can see starting together, send hyper personalized LinkedIn messages, so you can get it for your whatever the browser you are using. And then you also have, you can see, once you connect your LinkedIn, you will be able to create your first campaign, and of course you will be able to send your DMs. So it is quite simple. You can also add users from the options on the top. You can see we have campaigns and users, and you can also add in, you can either search them or add them using a CSV file. You can also download the CSV file basically, and in the campaign section you can simply link your LinkedIn account and your campaigns will be good to go. So basically, if you are still unsure about Welcomessage, let me just show you some of its reviews and features. So you can see it have email campaigns, SMS marketing, social media integration, and a lot of these features are available for this platform Welcomessage, and you can even see more of them. And it also have positive reviews on various sites, so you can give it a try using the link in the description below to get yourself extended free trial as well exclusive bonuses. And you can also subscribe to our channel. It is going to be super awesome. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay tuned and see you guys around in the next one.